In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Tarpapel in Canva. We'll walk through the whole process from setting up your file, to designing your layout, to preparing it for printing and assembly. So by the end, you'll know exactly what to do. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. On the home page, go to the search bar at the top and type poster or custom size, depending on what you prefer. A Tarpapel is usually made by printing several sheets of paper that you tape together to form one big design. Because of that, it's easiest to start with a standard page size like A4 or US letter, since that's what most printers use. If you choose custom size, type in the exact dimensions you want for each sheet. For example, you can set it to 8.5 by 11 inches if you're using regular bond paper. Then click Create New Design. Canva will open a blank canvas. Now, think about the overall size of your final Tarpapel. Let's say you want something that's 3 pages wide and 2 pages tall. Design your layout with that grid in mind. You can even turn on rulers and guides in Canva's view settings to help you keep things aligned. Imagine your design divided into sections, each section representing one printed page. Next, start building your design. On the left side, you'll see options for text, elements, photos, and uploads. Add your main title first, since that's usually the most important part of a Tarpapel. Use a large, bold font so it stays readable even from a distance. Then, add any supporting text, images, or shapes around it. Try to keep important details away from the edges where pages will join, so nothing critical gets cut off or split. Take your time adjusting colors, fonts, and spacing until everything looks balanced. Zoom out regularly to see how the entire poster looks as one piece. This is how it will appear once all the pages are taped together. When you're happy with the design, it's time to prepare it for printing. Download your work by clicking the Share or Download button in the top right corner. Choose PDF print as the file type if it's available, because it usually gives better quality for printing. After downloading, open the PDF on your computer. From here, you'll split the design across multiple pages using your printer settings. In many print dialogues, there's an option called Poster, Tile, or multiple pages per sheet. Enable that so the printer automatically divides your single large design into several overlapping pages. Print all the pages, then lay them out on a large flat surface. Trim the white borders if needed, and line up the edges so the design matches. Finally, use tape at the back to connect each sheet, working row by row until the entire Tarpapel is complete and ready to display.